What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jack. I post every single Monday, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. These clips are kind of old, and it is what it is. It's because I didn't really have motivation to vlog this week. It's Thanksgiving time frame, and it's kind of rough. That's a rough holiday for me. Maybe later on I'll open up and I'll tell you guys about it. But right now, just enjoy the video. I highly appreciate you guys. If you would, smash that thumbs up button. If you're new, consider subscribing. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next week. Hey, you want to go feed some geese? I got bread. As much as I like having a conversation with you, you literally gave me chlamydia. So bye. Well, I need my inhaler. My mom is making me ask. I'm so confused. I met you at the bar last week, and we didn't even hook up.
Swear to God, if I didn't win it.
It's definitely chlamydia.
Oh, yeah. That's why I think it was better than the peg leg thing.
How you go so high? You're going so high. You're going to hit the house. Oh, you hit the house. Can you hit the house again? Oh.
Ready?
You're going really high, huh? Whoa. You are seeing Daddy. Why'd you get so stingy?
She's like, God, candy.
She's like, what?
Candy. Okay.
Oh, good morning, everybody. So, ignore the hair and ignore the tired face. I woke up like this. Say hi. There's sexy man Chase. He's the one with Freeman's Lawn Care, if you remember. Probably not, because I haven't put it in the video yet. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna clear out some land. Not really clear out, but just clean some stuff up. And yeah, that's all we're doing today.
So they're gonna be doing all this work. Say hi, Lily.
Hi.
They're gonna be doing all this work in the yard before we have Lily's party next weekend. They're gonna tear my yard up. Look at this. Can you see it? Look at them driving through the yard making ruts. Oh, Jesus. There goes my yard. Is that it? Is that
See
what
a
we're doing?
house? Oh, I can move it over there.
Don't be irritated.
Come on, move it over here. So, update. We got some of this stuff pulled out. Wife's out here helping now. She's been busy with the kiddos. Chase out here working hard.
We're hardly working.
But we got most of the
Funny.
trees pulled out now. But I tried to pull this out with my truck earlier. It didn't quite work. So we got 1, 2, I don't know if you can see those. 2, 3, 4, 5. We got some stumps that we still need to get pulled out, but we're gonna have my stepdad come in with the backhoe and pull that out for us. And hopefully he can level some of this grass out. But, damn, we still got stuff back there that we need to pull out also. But for now, we're gonna work on this stuff, get it broken up so we can burn it later on. But yeah, quick little update for you guys. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Thank you.
Say hi.
Hi.
You ready to go play on the trampoline?
Uh-huh.
Go go play on the trampoline. She's got 2 balls, that's what she said. Yes, I know I need to mow the yard. Just haven't got to it. Wow!
Changes the way we are. Okay. Grab it on right on top, pull on it.
Another weekend, another fire.
Hi.
Another weekend, another fire. I don't know if you guys remember this, but all this was covered with trees so far. We got pretty far back there. Still got one more tree to burn and then more trees to take down. So pretty much that whole area back there is gonna get taken down. But right now we gotta burn all the stuff.